This is my DIY burning LED by me, M Explorations. Materials needed: 4 9-volt batteries and 2 charging bays, an LED driver with an output of 15.6 volts, 2.2 amps, and an input of 18 volts, 2 amps, 2 slide switches, 1 amp plus relay. Materials needed continued: 2 heat sinks and a cooling fan, 3 magnifying glasses, 1 backyard safari critter shack, just the lens is all you need from this. Materials needed, last slide: 2 paper towel roll cardboard cylinders, the LED, 5 AA batteries, 1 glass ball. The lens setup starts at the LED as a very wide beam, then the cylinder focuses it into the critter shack lens, then into another cylinder which focuses it into the magnifying glasses, and then finally into the glass ball, and then that is your burning output at the focal point. Circuit setup: put the 2 heat sinks on the back of the LED and the LED driver. It may be a cursed schematic, but it works in real life, and that's all that matters. Final words: if the LED still does not work, simply replicate this exactly and combine the focal points. This video took a lot of time and effort. Please give some feedback and compliments down below. Like this presentation, then you will definitely like this one. Like, subscribe, and email me how you have used this at the channel page. Wondering why I didn't click on the links during the presentation? They are in the description below. If you have watched this far, thanks, and subscribe to get notified for the next videos in this series. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.